Behlen is Canada's largest steel manufacturer and over the last 40 years has provided building solutions to leading organizations and has expanded to serve customers worldwide.
Behlen Industries manufactures steel buildings. We take steel plate and make it into steel beams that can then be assembled on site like a mechano set into very large structures. We employ about 250 people, and that's a split between our shop and our office. We have a large engineering component to our buildings. Every building is designed specific for the area that it's going, and then that process allows us to custom fabricate all the pieces that go into every building.
In export markets, Behlen started very small, mostly with agricultural products. However, over time, they've grown their product lines worldwide, from big sports facilities in Russia, to air hangars in Algeria, to storage facilities in Peru.
Our growth can be attributed to, in a large part, our ownership. Becoming part of the WGI Westman Group, owned by Russ Edwards, and Russ's passion for manufacturing, new technologies and equipment, that really propelled us to where we are today. The other side of that is our people and our ability to design very complex buildings, process all the parts and pieces for those complex buildings, and then on our shop floor, the people that put a high quality building together that's very easy to assemble when it gets to the construction site. We want to take what we do in Canada as the largest manufacturer of high quality steel building systems and make that a global entity. To do that, we're doing more things. We're adding construction to what we do. We're adding assembly to parts of our portfolio. We have a huge reputation for quality, and in the international marketplace, you get that by being Canadian. Being Canadian and Manitoban as well, it's part of who we are, and we're known worldwide for that. And I don't think people really get a concept of that when you're in Canada or in Manitoba. So we're doing what it takes to be able to expand ourselves and be that entity in a global stage.
Behlen has been very successful in North America and continues to grow their reach across the globe. They've recently expanded into Russia, Eastern Europe, as well as pursuing opportunities in Central and South America, North Africa, Australia, and Southeast Asia.
One of the largest projects we've ever accomplished was a FIFA certified facility in southern Siberia. It's a 315-foot clear span building, houses a soccer field for the pro team in Krasnoyarsk, Siberia. With 70 container loads of steel left our factory in July 3 years ago and was constructed in 4 months. That project launched us into a whole new realm of possibilities overseas. The building we did in Siberia is an excellent example of how Behlen overcame many obstacles in order to do something that many people said we couldn't do. We had to come up with new types of steel, new design, and do spans that were 50 feet larger than any span we'd ever accomplished or any other manufacturer had ever accomplished before. And that really speaks to the amount of integrity and the drive of our people to do something new, different, and innovative. From our sales and marketing department straight through to our shop floor, we have the best team of people that puts the best projects together. We're not scared to take on big projects. We're not scared to put volume into the shop, and we will always get the best product out to our customer. The other side of that is our ownership. Working for the WGI Group is one of the best places to work. Huge support. They've spent millions of dollars in our factory, making it the most modern, fast-moving steel manufacturer in Canada, and the future is extremely bright.
Congratulations to Behlen Industries for receiving the 2016 CME Export Award.